Easy for one person to hoist deer for cleaning, skinning, butchering or cooling. 4-to-1 weight reduction pulley system. Convenient carry bag keeps all components and rope from getting tangled up. Fully welded and gusseted for added strength. Rated at 500 pounds. We have added a 4-to-1 weight reduction pulley system to our heavy-duty Gambrel. This will make it much easier for one person to hoist their deer for cleaning, skinning, butchering or cooling. We have also added a convenient carry bag. This bag will help keep all the components and rope from getting tangled up and is great for off-season storage. Our heavy-duty steel Gambrel is built to last. The 3/8 hanger is fully welded and gusseted for added strength. We have added a special hook design to make the hanging of your deer or other large game an easier task. Gambrel and components have an olive powder coat finish and are rated at 500 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Really nice Gambrel kit. I like that I came with a bag to store everything in. I hang my deer under my back deck and it's nice to be able to take it down and put it away to it's not just hanging around outside in the weather. The directions are really clear on how to set everything up. The pulley system worked effortlessly to hoist a large buck whitetail up and out of the bed of my truck. Really happy with this Gambrel, and it was a few dollars cheaper here on Amazon than at my local stores.